It's thundering and lightning, but so I can't really check to see how well everything's working. But from inside, this is what I can show you. I'm gonna go around to another window. Let's see what I can see from there. Give a little better vantage point. You can see the drainage is coming off from back behind the chicken coop, draining down there to there, and then over through the culvert into the creek. Sorry for the blurry spots on the camera. That's from the droplets on the window. Just wanted you to hear how it's coming down. Not going to stay out here long because we're having a lot of lightning and stuff, but yep, it's really coming down. And this is round one. So it slowed down on the raining. It's still thundering, but here's one of the culverts. You can see where some of the water is draining down a little bit there, but it's draining straight down to the other culvert. Now we're going to go look at the trenches. There's this trench here. It's working very well. It's draining straight on down right out there to the culvert. Working our way back up. This is right across from the chicken coop on the right side. Working our way back up. As you can see, it's working very well here. There's no breaches anywhere. And the chicken coop, even though it does still have some water on the ground, it is not flooded. So, but that's probably due to the quick onset of heavy rainfall coming down. Then if we just follow this on up here, we see it's all working well. Last time it was flooded all the way, all in here was totally flooded. It's no longer flooded. No breaches along here. By the way, I know this has nothing to do with the video, but if you know what this is, this flower is, it's probably just a weed or some sort. But could you tell us what it is? This is what the leaves look like. And it has a long stem with purple flowers. It probably is a weed, but it's very pretty. So then, here's where the two, let me pan out a little bit. It's where the two meet. The one coming from over there around the chicken coop comes down here and meets right here in the center. And this one is also draining very well. You can see water's just trickling down all the way around here. Last time we were having it wash out our road right here, and it is no longer doing that, but it is definitely flowing really good through here. I'll cross over to the other side, but it was washing out our road right through here. It's no longer doing that. And then just runs right down through here. If we go down further, comes out through here. Looks like it winds up right there And it's probably, if it gets any fuller, it'll wind up going down further into the culvert. No washing over into the road. Look at the creek, just gorgeous. Let's get a really close up on that. That is just gorgeous. Sorry about the fencing in the pictures, but we do have fencing up to keep predators from just being able to walk right in, although they can jump. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful creek. And we have another culvert right down there where we can cross over. It looks like a lot of debris down there we need to clean up. But it's really pretty. Look at this side of the creek. We still need to cut those trees all the way down where they don't look so ugly, but we just took down the softwood trees, especially those, what are they called, gum trees, sweet gum trees that put out those balls, those spiky balls. Took a lot of those down. We left up willow trees and any hardwood trees. We're gonna eventually plant some lilac, probably some other blossom trees, things that like to grow along creeks that'll look really pretty. Anyways, here's the back side of the chicken coop. It's dry. Well, I mean, it's wet, but it's not flooded. Because obviously it's outside, so it's going to be wet. But compared to last time, it's dry. I just love the way the creek looks. It is just so beautiful when it's running like this. Just look at that. Gorgeous. Here's the other side. It's not overwhelmed this time like it was last time. Oh, there goes the frog. It's not overwhelmed like it was last time. It's actually flowing really well. Last time it was just like all over this whole area here. It wasn't just going straight. So come on with me. Let's go check on the back side and see if we can see where the creek expands out back here. We have a creek around our whole property, so part of it's on our property and part of it's on someone else's, but we don't ever go over on that side. We just stay on the side that's on our property. But see if I can see through all this brush. Get back here. I just love to show these pictures. I mean, it just sounds so beautiful. By the way, we're going to be putting some special kind of clovers down over here. It's going to be beautiful. They're not the white Dutch clovers and they're not the red. They're special for shady area and heavy trafficked area. See what we can see back here. I don't want to go too far back because the snakes are out and we definitely have poisonous snakes. Can't really see much back down in there. Not on our side anyways. You can see it's draining down here. It's where it drains off our backs, the back side of our property. The other trench. Looks like it's doing good. It's just running down that way. Close up. See? And then over there. Looks like it's doing good. I'm gonna place if I can get it real quick. Up here at the beginning, where the gate is. Not much coming down. But as you can see, a lot has come down and gone off into there, which will lead down to the creek. And no flooding. And on this side, where we're at, the gate, this is the left side facing the gate, and it's running off through here, then it runs off through here, and my guess is then it's running on down the road through here. Looks like it's still trying to keep towards this side, probably eventually crossing over somewhere here and running off to one of these trench areas. They are working. So it's working. And down here last time it was totally flooded, as you can see with all the rain we've had. We've had like 3 inches already. It's not flooded. So I'm gonna hurry back inside. I had to let the dogs out anyways to the restroom. Sunflower, you doing all right? She's my elder dog. She's been brave to come out here. She's heading in. She hears that thunder. She's done her business. There's Stella. Come on, Stella.